Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you want to check out the analysis of other currency pairs, then do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of US dollar, Canadian dollar, USD CAD. The chart may seem very beautiful and simple, but my dear friend, everything that glitters is not gold. Which means that there are some complications in this chart as well. If you look at the chart, then you can easily see that market is an uptrend, things are very beautiful, market is taking support at the trend line and going up. Things are very beautiful, undoubtedly. Okay. But you can see that, okay, if we judge the market from the point of view of the market psychology, then you can see that market is in this support range. Okay, is lying near the support range for quite some time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 candles, 17 4-hour candles. Just imagine. So if you just think about from the aspect of market psychology, okay, then what do you think? Which means that market has reached the support level, but it didn't have the strength to take the price upward. As a result, market is lying near the support for quite some time. If you look at this particular portion of the chart, then you can see that after 6-7 candles or 6 to 8 candles, okay, market immediately bounced. Here, after one candle only, market immediately bounced. But here you can see that after 15-16 candles, market still has failed to bounce, or market has still failed to show some good buying pressure in the market, which means that market lacks the buying pressure. Though market is standing at the support level, but still market does not have the required strength, or the bulls does not have the required strength to take the price upward. Apart from this trend line, you can see that I have got another line drawn here, 1.2610. This is also a very significant level in the chart of USD CAD. Let me share with you. If we switch to the weekly chart, then you can see that though market seemed to be in uptrend, though market was very bullish, okay, though the chart was very bullish, but if we look at the weekly chart here, then we can see that market has a good resistance here. You can see that market has a good resistance here. In the previous week, when market tried to go up, okay, you can see the previous week's candles were good and beautiful, green and healthy. But previous week, when market tried to go up, but there was a sudden selling pressure in the market. As a result, price failed to sustain and market fell. And ultimately, you can see that market formed a shooting star kind of a pattern, which clearly suggests that there was selling pressure in the market, or the bulls failed to take the price upward, which means sellers are there in the market and they are dominating at this price level. And most importantly, market failed to break the resistance level on the weekly chart. Therefore, this resistance level is very important for the market right now. Therefore, you can see that right now market is in the middle here. Though it has taken support, okay, at the trend line, but still market has failed to go for a good bounce here, because market does not have the strength. That is the reason you are not seeing a good bounce here. Moreover, if we look at the chart of dollar index here, and as we all know, US dollar chart has impact on the chart of USD CAD. Whenever US dollar goes up, USD CAD also goes up. You can see that US dollar is an uptrend, and I have shared this information in hundreds and hundreds of videos that US dollar is an uptrend. It will be it will be bullish until and unless it reaches this level. And you can clearly see on the chart that US dollar is in uptrend following this trend line as a support. And right now you can see that US dollar is also standing at a support. So if US dollar bounces from here, then we can hope that USD CAD may see some good buying pressure. Otherwise, USD CAD, US dollar Canadian dollar chart does not have the strength. Okay, if you look at this particular portion of the chart here, you can see that on 6th July, when market was very much flat, okay, market fell, market came to the trend line, market did not have the strength. US dollar Canadian dollar chart was lacking strength and it was lingering around the support level. And on 6th July, market suddenly saw a huge buying power. Okay. This happened because USD CAD also saw some good buying power. Therefore, US dollar chart has great impact on the chart of USD CAD. So if you are trading on USD CAD, my dear friend, keep your eyes on the chart of dollar index as well. So if you look at the chart of dollar index right now, then it seems very bullish. It has taken support with price rejection from below, and we can hope that it will be going up now. So if it goes up from here, then we can hope that USD CAD will also be going up and it will not face this level as a resistance, and you can easily go for buy order. But keep in mind, there was a resistance, there is a resistance, there will be a resistance from the weekly chart, so be very careful. Just keep your eyes on the US dollar chart. So if you want to go for a buy right now, then I'll say that you can go for buy, but do not take a heavy position. Follow proper risk management and do not raise more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. And if we look at the Forex sentiment meter, then we can see that 61% retail traders have taken long position and 38% retail traders have taken short position. And as we all know, most of the retail traders lose money. Okay. But I think this time they have taken a good position. But there is a catch here. The catch is they have already taken position. They have already taken long position, and market has bounced right now. So they have taken an early entry, which is not a good thing. Okay. Now US dollar seems to be in a good position to go for buy. That's why we can hope that USD CAD will also be going up. But already they have taken a long position, which is not a good thing, not an advisable thing. Okay. Anyways, if you want to go for a buy right now, you can go for a buy, but follow proper risk management, and please keep your eyes on the chart of US dollar DXY chart. If it goes up, if it bounces from here, then you can see good buying in the USD CAD as well. Otherwise, it has a resistance here. It will face problem. That's it. So hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.